Joe. Not snoring now, huh? You want to rewind here and see? Or should I say here? God, I could have used one of these when I was a kid. My dad swore he never snored. Joe. Joe.
Robin.
What, honey?